we will see. Before that we will see group is infinite order group, but every elements are finite order elements. Every subgroups are finite order subgroups. Okay. Q plus is an infinite order abelian group. Z plus is a proper subset of Q plus, and Z plus is a same infinite order abelian subgroup of Q plus. So when group is abelian group, subgroup also we are getting, then that subgroup will be a normal subgroup, because every subgroups are normal of abelian group. So Z plus is a normal subgroup of Q plus. When normal subgroup coming, then quotient group will exist. And quotient group means all collection of coset of Z in Q. So Q by Z elements will be P by Q plus Z form. P and Q from integer, Q not equal to 0. Okay. And you see here, after every P by Q plus Z are finite order element. Every, anything you choose. P by Q plus Z, cardinality is D. For all D belongs to natural number, respectively for all P by Q. Any finite order must will happen. First, if I will go with integer 1 plus Z, 2 plus Z, what will happen? Z only will come. If suppose Z is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, this is Z. If 1 plus Z I will do, what will happen? Just one step extra will go, no? Just transform, exchange is type, exchange place. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that going on. Means same Z only. 2 plus Z means also same Z only place changing, 2 shift increasing. So any type of integer if you will choose, and A plus Z you will do, means that is Z only will come. Okay. And in quotient group G by H, H is always identity. So Z will be the identity only, identity element of Q by Z. Okay. So here all are same, 1 plus Z, 2 plus Z, 3 plus Z. So here one order element is A plus Z, for all A belongs to integer, and all are Z only. That is Z. Means Z is one order element. Don't think A plus Z infinite have infinite one order element. No, all are Z only. So only one element is one order element. Two order element, what will happen? 1 by 2 plus Z is a two order element. Power 1, power 2. Power 2 means 2 time operation. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus Z. Z plus Z don't do, 2Z don't write. Already I told. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, what will happen? 2 by 2 plus Z. 2 by 2 means 1 plus Z. 1 plus Z means Z, identity. So this is a two order element. And total two order element only one. Here after other two order element, if you will get, no, all are multiple of this. Just like 1 by 2 plus Z is equal to 2 by 4 plus Z, 3 by 6 plus Z, like that. Means any other two order element you are getting, that is must multiple of 1 by 2 plus Z. All are same set. Next three order element. Three order element will be 1 by 3 plus Z. Power 1 this. Power 2 means 2 time of operation. Power 3 identity will come. 3 times operation. 3 by 3 plus z, 3 by 3 means 1 plus z, 1 plus z means z. Okay, so identity. So 1 by 3 plus z is 3 order element. Total 3 order element, 2 elements will come. Another one will be 2 by 3 plus z. 2 by 3 plus z, same power 3 only, identity will come, otherwise no. So 2 by 3 plus z is equal to identity, 3 order element. So total 3 order element will be like that. Every finite order, whatever 4 order, 5 order, 5 order, everything will exist. Every finite d order element exists in Q by Z. And not sometime what will happen, finite order also existing, infinite order also existing, but here all are finite order. Otherwise write here every elements of Q by Z are finite d order elements in Q by Z. All are. And what will happen, you know, total d order element, whatever d order element will happen, total d order elements in Q by Z, if you will find properly, you know, you see total 3 order element in phi of 3, total 2 order element phi of 2. This phi of 2 concept will come, 4 order element will come 2, 5 order 4. So total d order element in Q by Z is phi of d. Even they will ask here after cyclic group. Here d order element existing, so d order subgroup will exist. All subgroups are unique because identity and 2 order element, identity and 3 order element, identity and 4 order element, identity and 5 order element, all d order subgroups will be unique. Even all are cyclic subgroup. Total d order cyclic subgroup, what will happen? Phi of d by phi of d. Formula already I gave, no? Total d order cyclic subgroup in Q by Z. They will ask what will happen. So total d order element by phi of d, here formula same have, so 1. So all d order cyclic subgroups are 1. Even only all d order subgroups of Q by Z plus are unique, already unique have, contains all d order elements, and that d order elements only will be the generator. Understanding? So like that, more groups have, their group is infinite order group, and every elements are finite order, and finite order also, infinite order also existing.